What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is going to be a busy day in the garage, lots of small little stuff going on. My engine bay is all torn apart. I am just about to start fitting some tasty new Radium products. Shane's engine is out, ready to go back in. He's just clearing up the engine bay at the moment, ready to sit it back in. Getting it nice and tasty. And here's some of the Radium stuff that I'm about to fit today. Really nice fuel pressure regulator with gauge. Two really nice fuel filters, and they're absolutely beautiful aluminium fuel rail. Success on one job. Shane's engine is back in. RB looks really at home there, really tasty, everything looks really clean. MMP turbo, 6-boost manifold, all fresh lines and everything. Really tasty. Can't wait to see this thing back up running again. It's been a long time in the making. And starting to get there with mine. It's going to look a hell of a lot worse before it looks any better, but most of the old lines ripped apart now, old fuel pressure regulator taken out, top of the inlet manifold still off. Yeah, just struggling a little bit with a few of the old fuel lines. Anybody that's taken them off before knows that they tend to want to stay there once they go on, but getting there now. And yeah, a couple more hours and we should be nearly home and dry. You can see the Radium stuff comes with really nice hardware, really nice brackets to bolt everything up, and all countersunk bolts. Makes it really tasty, really easy to put on. So just getting everything together getting ready to mock it up and see where I can fit in the bulkhead. Inlet manifold is all ready to go in. You can see that the Radium Engineering top feed conversion does a really nice job. It turns everything from this, which looks like an absolute mess with loads of pipes here, metal pipes, and then silicone pipes as well, and just converts it into something nice and simple here, where we have to make our own blanking plate, and then you extend your idle air control valve, which then allows you to put just some rubber hosing then back on, and definitely simplifies up the whole process. So really tasty, pretty much ready to throw it back in now, only to just waiting on injectors. Clutch is in, engine is in, intercooler, rad, oil cooler, fans, all electrics hooked back up, filled back with oil, filled back with coolant. Only thing left now is to fill that big hole there where Shane is standing and put in the gearbox. gearbox is home, and that was definitely harder than expected. Suck it up. You know it's a good sign when you're filling the gearbox up with oil. Everything hooked back up and ready for the first crank. Fuel pressure, yeah. Oh, she's getting close. It's alive! Hey, happy boy!
Yeah, I want the water anyway.
Mint. Long, long day, but it's alive. Happy days. We got rims. Happy boy? Happy boy. Very, very successful day in the garage. Lots and lots of work done, especially on Shane's car. Got it from having absolutely no engine in it all day to up, running, everything connected, and sounding absolutely sweet again. So Shane is now ready for mapping almost, except for just a few bits to tidy up. Unfortunately, I didn't get much work done on the 180. It's still in pieces. Waiting on a couple of parts, as I said earlier, but we're almost there. And yeah, keep you guys up to date, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and catch you in the next one. Peace.